Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Quick guide on today's video. I'm going to show you how to download Google Photos all at once. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Google Photos app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you download the app, launch it, then sign in with your Google account. Now, on your screen, you're gonna find photos that you've backed up previously and the photos from your photo app. Now all you have to do is tap on that three-dot menu at the top right corner right beside tick. Well, you have to manage the layout there to make selecting photos easier. Select month there. There you go. Now it's gonna get easier to select them. Just tap on tick option there. Scroll down and tap on that tick option right beside every month and tap on share from the menu prompting up from the bottom of your screen. Once you do that, you can see two options, save to device and share to. All you have to do is tap on that save to device option, then all your Google Photos will be downloaded on your phone at once. And guys, that's it. That's how you download Google Photos all at once. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.